If I want to discuss about plants, then we all have one plant in common, which is aloe vera. Globally, we have a good collection of articles related to watering our plants, like when to water them and when not to do so. So, the topic of this video is aloe vera, and in this video, I'll be talking about when to water and how to water aloe vera plants. And this briefing is actually purely experience based. So by following these steps, your aloe vera plant will never die. Before watering aloe vera plant, I do some routine checking, like checking of topsoil appearance and foliage demand of water as well, because aloe vera have fleshy leaves which actually store lots of water. So in that case, we always have to be cautious because they are the water tank itself. And if you pour water unnecessarily, your aloe vera plant will die soon. So for letting your aloe vera plant to survive, you must need to follow some basic routine checkups. On the list of basic routine checkup, the first step is soil observation and second one is foliage observation. So in the first step, which is soil observation, you can observe the soil condition without even touching it, just by following the color-wise appearance of the topsoil and the crumbliness of the topsoil. In the case of color-wise appearance of topsoil, if the soil is hydrated, it will look darker. But if the soil has been dried up, its color will change to the lighter shade. On the other hand, in the case of crumbliness of the soil, which actually mostly happens due to excessive dryness of the soil, if the soil has been dried up completely, it will look disintegrated from the top. But if the soil is still hydrated, it will look moist. So these are the observations which you can follow even without touching the soil. But you can also check the moisture level of soil by touching the soil surface. What you have to do is just poke your finger 1 to 2 inch deeper. You can also use wooden dowel instead of using your finger. If the soil sticks to the finger, this means the soil is still hydrated. So in this case, you don't need to water your aloe vera plant. But if the soil doesn't stick to the finger, it means soil has been dried out. This time you can thoroughly water your plant, but I would recommend you to also check the foliage of the aloe vera plant. I know you must have some question like why we need to check the foliage if we have already checked the soil appearance. So this is basically important for those people who having their aloe in loamy soil or clay soil. You know, in these soil conditions, you can predict the dryness of soil just by touching and observing the crumbly appearance of soil, because you can poke your finger throughout these soil 1 to 2 inches deep. And if you try to do so, there will be a high chance of root damage. So for that reason, you must need to check the foliage too. You only have to go for this step if you have observed that the topsoil is completely dried out. So how will you do that? You can do this by 2 methods. One, by observing the coloration pattern of the leaf. In this case, if the soil moisture level is completely low throughout the pot, the color of the leaf will change from dark green to light green. And if you are failed to observe the color pattern, then go for the second foliage method, which is pressing the fleshy leaves gently. What you have to do is just gently press the aloe vera leaf. If the leaf having enough water content, you will feel hardiness. But if the soil is completely dried out, then you will get to notice that the leaf is slightly soft and is no longer that much juicy. In case of kalanchoe, when they are thirsty, their leaves become so soft that you can bend their leaves up and downward so easily. So you have observed the crumbliness of soil and softness of the leaf as well. And now this is the time that you can decide that you have to water your aloe vera plant thoroughly or not. The bonus point is that you can follow this step for every succulent plant which you have. So now here comes the question, when to water it. So if you have observed that the soil is completely dried out and the foliage color and juiciness has also been changed, then only you have to water your aloe vera plant. So now you got an idea about when to water your aloe vera plant, and now here comes how to water them. For watering, I will recommend you to always use collecting tray for your plants. This will help your plant to be hydrated properly, and this will also prevent your house from being dirty. So for watering, you can follow any one from these two methods. First one is pour water thoroughly to the topsoil and make sure that water comes out from the drainage holes. This will ensure you that the soil has received the water throughout the pot. But could this really ensure you that your aloe has hydrated properly? Because sometimes water comes out immediately without properly hydrating your plant. So in this case, here comes the role of collecting tray. This tray will ensure you that your aloe has completely been hydrating. After thorough watering, leave the pot in the collecting tray for 5 to 7 minutes and then remove the excess water from the collecting tray. By this process, your plant will intake the required amount of water from collecting tray. I am recalling again that don't forget to remove the excess water from the tray. Otherwise, it will create sogginess to the soil and will lead to a secret mission, Yeah, you definitely know, which is root rot. Okay. The second method is pour enough water in collecting tray and wait the water to travel throughout the soil and root. So how will you know that the water is seeping properly? You will definitely get to know that your plant and soil is fully hydrated by observing the topsoil. Once it reaches to the topsoil, the soil will become damp and you can easily notice it without touching the soil surface. Once the water reaches to the topsoil, kindly remove the excess water from the collecting tray. So this is how you can properly hydrate your aloe vera plant. I hope you will have a clear idea about when and how to water your aloe vera plant.